How many little pizzas can Cody eat?
Do you like your new bed, Woody
We're
dog?
gonna eat asparagus.
Tomorrow with our turkey.
Okay.
Kitty Cat likes your new bed, Woody.
Does Woody like his new bed?
Wait, where's her little cat toy? I just hate this one.
I see Woody's been shredding all his
Calvin,
stuffed things.
how many little pepperoni quick?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, pepperoni. Calvin, how many little pizzas?
How big are they?
About the size of a person.
Cheese pepperoni.
Cheese.
One cheese and one pepperoni.
That works perfect because I'm using the tap on them. We'll do tap.
Oh, she's turning up.
Yeah.
Just kind of crystal one.
Crystal's not on, Mama's on.
What kind does Mama want?
Mama, what kind of pizza do you want?
Cheese or pepperoni? Baby Emma.
Woody dog got his brand new... Oh no, is Steve and Erica watching too?
No.
Huh?
No.
No, they're not there?
No. Why'd you say oh no?
I don't know. They were at her house.
Huh?
They were at her house.
Oh.
Oh, Woody dog has his new bed. Are you happy, Dougie? Are you a happy doggy?
Watching with two crazy people?
That cat. I'm not.
Are you just videotaping him?
Mm-hmm. I'm the crazy cat.
Videotape me? I'm joking, don't.
Crash my arcade.
Calvin.
I'm sorry. Joking. Don't tape me, but is this long enough?